Hello and welcome back. Gorilla Man's Garage. We're inside today because it's really raining. It's been raining for a couple of days. Can't get much else done. And it's not great weather for droning. So what do I have today? I have something completely different. Way out of my normal comfort zone. But I do have connections that make it seem fitting. Okay? What are we talking about? We're talking about this. Okay? The Q2 from Bob and Brad. Quite the name, eh? Bob and Brad Q2 massage gun. It's a mini massage gun that's been popularized the last couple of years, mainly used in physiotherapy environments, but because of things like this, that is small and compact, it's now becoming more mainstream, that more and more people, not only athletes and physiotherapies and doctor people, they use it, but anyone is getting into it. But like anything, this is basically I want to say medical piece of apparatus, okay? So anything to do with things like this that you're putting against your body, please get some professional advice or do a lot of research before you do it. Read all the instructions that come with it, etc., okay? I happen to know somebody that is really high up in the sports medicine and athletic performance venue of a prominent Canadian university, and I asked them to give me a blanket opinion on opening this and telling me what it's like. So I asked them, no holds barred, I don't care what you say, it's not going to hurt my feelings. They sent me this for a review. Okay, those 7 words again. They sent me this product for review, okay? So, but I'm not hold barred to anything to say anything, whatever. So this person told me that this is a very nice piece of kit, okay? Very professionally built, very professionally packaged. It does have a purpose, and it produces very well for what it is. It's on the budget end of some of these. These can run up to $400, $500, $600. And this is only $70 Canadian. Okay, so there you go. Very professional. Let's open the box. Let's have a look what you get inside. And I'll give you more of the opinions. So this is what you get in the box. A case. Beautiful case. Solid. You know, it's molded. And you get in the case, you get instructions, cables, etc. You get the handheld gun, if you will. 5 appliances that go with it, okay? So what does it do, and why would I use it? Well, let's take it out here. Let's just take one of the appliances, okay? Here we go. So these appliances, appendages, whatever you want to call it, accessories, have a screw pad on top, and you screw that into here, like that, okay? That's what happens is, there's an amplitude, and if you know about frequencies, amplitude is like a wavelength, how long it goes, and this has a 7 millimeter amplitude, and it goes in, and it goes from 1800 RPM to 3000 RPM, and there's 5 adjustments along here, okay? It's a lithium. Oh, here's the other thing. Why would I want to review something like this when it's on a drone channel? Well, it does have a lithium-ion rechargeable battery by USB-C. It does have brushless motor. There you go. All my tools have brushless motors, and most of my drones, well, all my drones have brushless motors, so there you go. Why not? It fits. There we go. Okay, turn it on. You push and hold right here. That's level 1. See that going in and out like that? Okay, put my hand up. Okay, but when you put it on your arm or something, okay, like that, let's just turn this off. You press and hold. The light stays on, but after about 10 or 15 seconds, it goes off. Anyway, so this vibrating in and out is like you massaging your muscle, okay? And especially when you get older. This is by no means You wouldn't really see these a lot in a physiotherapy setting because There are much bigger, much more professional ones that have a longer aptitude, okay, for deep, larger muscle groups that an athlete might use or something. But I was interested for me on a personal level because it's so small and it's handy. It's not that heavy. It's ergonomically, very well balanced, etc., etc. It has, let's see, the light went out. Okay, all that kind of stuff. Okay, this adapter, what do you want to call it, has like a sponge on top, so it's not really going to hurt anything. Never, ever, ever go on a bone. Never, ever, ever touch a bone. That's not what this is for. This is for muscle groups. It's for soreness, strain, warm-ups, relaxation, massage, things like that. Now, as you get older, a senior, okay, your muscles don't work as well as they used to. I get up in the morning and my calves hurt, my shins hurt. I don't know why, and it's just a circulatory thing or what it is. I used to be a marathon runner. I used to lift weights coming up my ears, That was way back when. Now I don't. And my calves get really, really sore. So I use this end, and also there's a ball end. Some people call it a microphone end. Okay, so you can put the ball end on, and if you don't want to be so direct, you can move on the side. You can go sideways, so we can change it. Put this one on. Okay, we can go directly, or we can go like this, not as badly. Okay, I use this on my calves in the mornings when I get up. Okay, and I'll just be sitting there, and I'll use this end. Okay, and sometimes I use what they call a bullet end. Okay, that's more direct. Okay, so when you use the bullet end, and this is how easy it is to switch these out, right? When you use the bullet end, turn it on, you can be more direct, okay? And don't press too hard, especially if you're a senior, okay? Let the machine do the work. And then you can press again, higher, higher, more lights, right? Okay, let the machine do the work. And if it hurts too much, then turn it down. Turn it up, turn it down, whatever, okay? That's a more direct one, okay? The round one, you can direct that around a larger area, okay? There's a flat one as well. Same thing if you're doing your shin. You can play around with all of them. Let's turn this off for a second. Okay, take this out. They also have a wishbone. That's more, they say it's for your spine, but I wouldn't use it on your spine. I use this on my thigh. Okay, run it up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, so I'll use the bullet, or I'll use the soft cushion one, okay, and I'll use that on my thigh, and I'll use it on my arm, I'll use it on my chest, I'll use it on my shoulder, and I even ask my wife, because she doesn't have strong thumbs and stuff, I can't get a good massage on my shoulders, use this, and it's no problem at all, okay? Let's get into some of the other stuff it does. So as a demonstration, just to look at my beautiful calf, okay, we'll turn it on, and we have the cushion one on, and we'll just run up and down here, okay, up and down, all the way up and down, all the way up and down, all the way down to the Achilles, all the way up, and up and down, all the way up. And if you feel anything that's like tight or knot or something, you can just go around nice and slowly. You don't have to put much pressure on it. And if you can tolerate it and you feel it getting warm and that, try more pressure. But don't, if it hurts, don't do it. Okay, do not go near a bone. Okay, again, do some research. Okay, and my muscle now, it feels warm. So a couple of minutes, and that's all you need. Okay, I do all the way around, boom. And in the morning, and it's like a warm-up, okay? And you can do that with all your muscle groups, etc., etc., etc. So as an introduction to the Bob and Brad Q2 massage gun, it's a mini massage gun meant for travel purposes. I guess if you're an athlete or something, or you're you're a hockey player, whatever, and you really get sore calves from skating, etc. It's a really good, after a workout, after a game or something, your muscles are going to start tightening up, and this is one of those, what they call it, DOMS, okay, delayed onset muscle something or other. But once you've worked out, your muscles start to tighten up. Sometimes you might want this if you've got to, suddenly you've got to go and grab a bus or something, and your muscles are going to tighten up because you're not moving around. Then use this, and they'll warm them up, and you'll be a lot better. I'm a very skeptical person. I'm a very pessimistic person, as you probably already know, and things like this I was always a little skeptical of. I thought they're a gimmick, they're funny, they're blah blah blah. Well, I've used this for about 3 or 4 days now, and a couple of minutes at a time in the morning before I take the pups out for a walk and that, and my calves used to be really, really tight, and now they're not. So does it work? Yes, I guess the more you use it, the better it is. As again, the price, it ain't too bad. Okay, I can't say it's the best thing since sliced bread, but I can't say it's bad either. So it's pretty good. All kinds of settings, all kinds of different ways of doing it. Okay, I'll put a picture up here of some of the diagrams that are in the manual, and read the manual. It's really, really good. I mean, it goes over a lot of things, what to do, what not to do. Bob and Brad have millions and millions of subscribers on YouTube, 5.3 million I think it is, and they have tons and tons of videos, what to do, what not to do, and I suggest if you're interested in something like this that you watch all their videos and research. Again, I consider this a piece of medical equipment because you're touching your body with it, okay, and it can be very invasive. It can hurt, and you do not want it to hurt. Okay, so the Bob and Brad Q2 massage gun, it's their small version. They have larger ones. Remember, 7mm, 9, 10, 11. A major athlete might use in their physiotherapy recuperative stage. They may use an 11mm one, and that would really get. But I'm a senior. I know my muscles aren't that big anymore, and I'm not too worried. I'm more into a massage thing. I just want to get the aches and pains out, and that's what it seemingly does. And to me, it kind of works. So there you go. So I'll let you know what happens down the road. We're going to keep attacking this to me, and we're going to keep using it, and I'm going to get my my friend to use it as well and see what happens. We'll report back in about a month and see how it's going. Okay, but so far, so good, pretty good. Bob and Brad, never heard of you until you reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do this, and I said, well, we'll give it a shot because I know somebody in the business, and they kind of gave it a thumbs up as well. Okay, very well built, very well built. Okay, 2 thumbs up so far. Okay, till next time, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, give it a shot. It's on Amazon. Why not? Bye now.